Today we're in Los Cristianos. We're in the complex called Castle Harbour. We're looking at a studio apartment on one of the upper floors with that view there of the pool, and on a sunny day we're going to get a bit of sun on this balcony too. Let's have a look around. As we come in through the main door, this is what we'll see straight away, and then on the right hand side we've got the kitchen. On the left hand side we've got the bathroom. The toilet just around here. And then going through here on the left hand side, got a cupboard with a boiler in it. 2 single beds. That's a sofa bed, and then on the right hand side we've got a television, little dining table, and just over this side we've got 2 wardrobes. And then out to the terrace, good sized terrace, where we've got a table and 4 chairs, and then a view out onto the pool. And on a sunny day we'll have the sun coming in here in the morning. So that's our studio apartment in Castle Harbour Los Cristianos, with a nice view of the pool from the balcony. If you want more information about it, then go to tenerifepropertygroup.com, or you can email me at simonsg@tenerifepropertygroup.com. So that's me, Simon Sutton George at Tenerife Property Group. Thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.